Let's do a quick update. This is one of my favorite people on this planet. This is a Bitcoin update. We cannot not talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin has having a little bit of a drawdown. It got up to 72,000. That's about the 66, 67,000. It's still going in that range, right? Since March and middle of April, they had the halving, right? And usually the history has been that after a halving, it takes about 6 to 8 weeks for it to go sideways. Well, Bitcoin has been going between 65,000 and 72,000 for the last 3 months now, plus almost, right? So if you look at a Bitcoin chart, it's basic consolidation before it takes a leg up, as far as I'm concerned. Or is it a massive top that's about to absolutely get crushed? We're going to find out. Meanwhile, my second famous genius on the planet behind Elon Musk, Michael Saylor, just mortgaged more of his company. He just issued another $500 million of convertible bonds to go buy more Bitcoin. Now, I don't know. I mean, we did a good video called Michael Saylor, Gambler or Genius. I'm still in the genius camp, but if Bitcoin cracks, it goes down to 40, 30,000, he's going to be forced to sell Bitcoin, and that's going to add fuel to the fire. So this drama is going to unfold pretty shortly. It's either going to break out 72,000, go to the next leg, which is going to be 100, 110,000, or if it does crack, there's going to be a lot of forced selling. So the jury is still out. My opinion is consolidation going sideways because of this gentleman. His name is John Bollinger, and his technical tool is on every single one of my charts, called the Bollinger Bands. He is the creator of the Bollinger Bands. I respect him immensely, okay? And so his comments caught my eye this week, right? The volatility is actually shrinking on Bitcoin, right? It's going between 65 and 72, kind of sideways, right? So John Bollinger had an amazing response to a tweet. And the gentleman tweeted, he said, the longer we consolidate, the higher we'll go, which is my experience with consolidation periods. Remember, we talked about it, the bull, flagpole, and then we consolidate, and consolidating is gaining energy, right, for the next leg up. That's what usually happens on stocks or financial assets. That's how it goes. And John Bollinger responded with an amazing, tweet, and he said, "I wish I could remember the maxim: the bigger the base, the higher." Anyone? Exactly. All the weekly charts that I show you guys talk about it, right? I love bases. So either, and Bitcoin, the jury is out. Either this is a massive base that the next leg is going to come, or this is an absolutely massive top that the shit's going to hit the fan. I'm betting, the price will tell me what to do. If Bitcoin breaks 62,000-ish or so, it's going to take a dump. There's no doubt about it. Conversely, if it cracks above 72,000, it's going to go to the next level, which is 100 to 110K. So we're waiting. That's why 3 Ps, patience, position, and planning. But he's the guru, man. I mean, he's my man, and literally, he's like the only thing I have on my charts is the Bollinger Band, 20 EMA, 50 EMA, and 200 EMA. That's all I have. Naked charts, basically. His latest comments are in line with his previous predictions. About a month ago, when Bitcoin was trading near 70,000, Mr. Bollinger hinted at a possible price pullback, which it did to 67,000, where it's currently trading. The key question is now whether Bitcoin will hold this level or see further changes. Well, the jury is out. That's the Bitcoin update. And all the other altcoins obviously are moving with Bitcoin, right? Everything moves in tandem in that world. So we'll see. And the Fed, by the way, the Fed was also affecting Bitcoin. I mean, the day the Fed said they're going to start cutting rates once this year and 3 more times in 2025, Bitcoin took off. So lower interest rates are friendly to Bitcoin, right? Because lower interest rate could bring inflation back, and Bitcoin is a pretty decent inflation hedge because you cannot make more than 21 million of these existing things.